Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe before watching this video. So today we're just going to be doing a little day in the life. About to get ready to walk the dog. It's really a light day for me. I'm actually waiting for a package to come. It says it'll be delivered between 1 and 4:30. And so I can't really leave the house until I receive that package because I have to sign for it. So it's kind of annoying because I'm basically just stuck here. So I have something I have to return. So I'm going to respond to some emails, make some phone calls, and yeah. I want to put up both of our trees today and decorate. So I'm hoping my boyfriend can pull out some of his decorations and I'm gonna see what they look like to see if I need to go get some new ones. And just find some little other decorations for the house because we don't have much right now. I'm gonna show you what we have. I wanna get a few more, figure out what I'm cooking for dinner. And my birthday is, wow, today's my grandma's birthday. My birthday is a week from tomorrow. So I need to get all my ordering, whatever else I don't have to take on this surprise trip. I need to find a dress to go to a club, I've been told. I really don't know where we're going or what we're doing. So I'm trying to put my outfits together without having very many details. So that's fun. Yeah, so run some errands, make a return, try to find Christmas decor, and what else? Order some more stuff for my birthday. And the package I'm waiting for is actually my birthday hair. I got a wig and I'm nervous because I've never ordered from them before. I ordered from Hair So Fab. I don't know if y'all have heard of them, but I'm excited. I read all the reviews and they were really good. The only thing I'm concerned about is the lace because y'all know your girl is very, very light. And that lace is too dark for me. So I'm hoping that it's really transparent in HD. So we gonna see. So yeah. I want to put some of these dishes away and finish my coffee, take the dogs on a walk, and then I will get back on here. These are all the decorations we have so far. I got this little nutcracker from Target, these trees with these mini ornaments, and the candles. Then we have our stockings for the pups and ours. And then the other side we have the same thing going on. Another nutcracker, same tree and candles. That was really all we got so far. And then we put up this tree, but it doesn't have any ornaments or anything on it yet. So we need to get that together. It looks crazy. We were gonna hire decorators, but the plan is to move on the 1st or sometime next month after December. So we decided not to go with the decorators and we're gonna just do like a minimal decorating this year because we need to move into a new place, which I'm super excited about. So then next year I'll be able to really decorate how I want to decorate. Like I'm talking Kim Kardashian style decoration. I've always wanted to do that. So right now it's just a little, no. We're gonna have 2 trees, that one tall one, and then one over here in the dining area. So I'm gonna try to go find some more ornaments once he pulls out all the stuff so I can see what else we need. I want to get a centerpiece for the living room table and just some other little knickknacks to make it look a little more Christmassy. What's that?
Paint.
Paint?
Yep.
Oh yeah, I remember seeing these. These are cute.
I got them in black too.
Cool. Which tree do they go on? The big one? They gotta be in the basement. Take them down. Are there stars for the tops in here somewhere? Oh, I didn't show y'all this. We got this wreath too. I need to find a wreath hanger. So I need to put that on my list. And guess what? We found the other tree. So now we have 2 trees to put up, the rest of the decorations, and then I need to find a wreath hanger for. Okay, so I need to find stars for the trees. Stars for trees. What's that called? And that's it for the decor, right? Oh, I want to find a centerpiece for the table. And then I need to return that microphone. What we making for dinner? So I can buy that while I'm out too.
Stuffed salmon?
Again?
This shit was fire, I'm sorry.
You really want it again?
Yeah, this shit was fire. And she was here.
Do you want to try over a different pasta? Come on, Mumu, let's get ready to go outside. Come on. Come here, Coochie. I bet. Come here, Chanel. We're going this way. Thing 1 and thing 2. We're wait a minute. Oh. I need to figure out what I'm about to wear today to run errands. Let's check the temperature. Weather is 70 degrees and cloudy. It felt pretty warm when I was just walking the dogs, and I'm not sure if it was because I was walking or what. But what do I want to put on today? Some black leggings. I guess I could just put on my Balenciaga Balenciaga set. Okay, y'all, these are my options of shoes. This Chanel sneaker. I can put on this, you know, to accent the gray. Or I can put on this Balenciaga runner and just do the whole Balenci, but I don't really know how I feel about that. Let's see how this Chanel looking. I think I'm gonna do that. But then what purse? Do I do the Balenci? Do I do the Chanel? Or I can do this black YSL. This is more like sporty, I feel like. And then this is more like dress up. So I feel like I'm gonna go with the Balenci. Balenci for the day. Balenciaga moment. I also need to wash my hair tonight. I really hate how this shirt is scrunched up. Like, I just want to put it over. I feel like it looks better when I wear it on top. Because tucked in is giving me. I'm about to go rock climbing. Yeah, I like it better like this. I'm stick with that. We want to live young forever, okay? I'm gonna touch up my brows a bit. I haven't eaten anything. I wonder where I should go to get some food from. And luckily, my boyfriend should be here if my package arrives, so I don't have to wait for that, or the security guard can sign for it for me. I didn't even think of that, so I don't gotta worry about staying here waiting for my package to arrive. Put a lot of moisturizer on today, so my face is gonna be a little oily because my skin has been a little dry. So with this, you don't need a lot, because like I said, this is not foundation. This is just a tinted moisturizer. So I know my face is going to be very, very oily today because I already put a moisturizer. I'm about to put my lips on. Beautiful. What you say, Smart?
I thought you said something smart.
Gotta do our go-to lip. The Dior.
Let it go back and forth, I went on that, so just go and did it.
What's up, y'all? I finally left the house and it is 1:55. The goal is to be back home by 3:30. That's when the traffic starts. Lord knows I don't want to be in traffic. So first I want to go make this return. This microphone. I bought this microphone so my sound quality could be better in my videos, and it doesn't fit. So I ordered a new one. So I'm gonna return this one. I'm usually really bad with returns. When I tell y'all, I will literally buy shit and just throw it away and keep it forever. But I'm trying to not waste money in 2023. So I'm going to go make a return. 77 West Paces Ferry Road. I'm going to Whole Foods to return. Apparently you can return Amazon shit at Whole Foods without a label or anything. You just show up with your return. So I'm gonna go try this out. I have a to-do list. I'm a list girl. Star for trees. Oh, we have 2 trees, so I need to find 2 stars. A reef hanger, centerpiece for our living room table, return microphone to Amazon, and get the ingredients to make stuffed salmon. I made my boyfriend stuffed salmon for the first time like 2 or 3 nights ago, and he already wants it again. So apparently he enjoyed that. So I'm gonna go. I've been trying to do my best cooking because we used to do a lot of ordering out. When I met him, he was ordering DoorDash like 3 times a day, and it was very ridiculous. And I'm like, okay, look, we gonna have to make some changes to your eating habits, because not only are you spending a shit ton of money, you are also not being very healthy. So I have been cooking meals at least 3 or 4 times a week, and I usually make a quick little like breakfast sandwich in the morning. We're both not really morning people. I just make us a little like breakfast sandwich, and then I didn't do that today, as y'all can see. I haven't eaten anything. He had to make himself breakfast. So I'm gonna probably get something while I'm out to put on my stomach. And yeah, but I've been cooking a lot, so I'm proud of myself for that, because I did not used to be a cooking girl. You weren't gonna get me to cook a goddamn thing. Well, y'all just pulled up at Whole Foods. Apparently I can't film in Whole Foods. Is that a thing? Did y'all hear anything about that? So I can't take y'all with me, but I'll let y'all know how it goes when I get back. Wow, y'all, that was super quick. That literally took me 30 seconds. I just walked in the Whole Foods, went up to the customer service counter and said I need a return from Amazon, and she just scans my little QR code, and that was it. In and out. I like that. If you ever need to return something to Amazon, just take your item to your Whole Foods and honey. Okay. I hate people trying to troll. Like, get some girl. I don't know if y'all saw my reel on Instagram, but my friends and I made a little reel. It has 205,000 views and like 14.5 thousand likes. And it's just a funny ass video. And it basically says the gang in there types, and it's all like some funny shit. Like one says delusional baby mamas, one says beards. Some girl gonna get on my video. First of all, we posted this the weekend of Niana's birthday, so like 3 weeks ago. People are still reposting and comments on it. Some girl commented just now and said not one person is saying they want a God-fearing, praying, respectful, caring, good, open communicator, no mental health issues, etc. I guess none of that matters when a ninja pro athlete with a beard, but money is not everything. Ye has money. Look at that shit. Look at that shit show he got going on. Take a fucking joke. People take social media way too serious. You see it's a joke. I even think in the caption I said maybe it's a joke, maybe it's not. Like, you clearly see people ain't just have fun and make videos. Stupid. And I'm over here like, should I just let the troll or should I eat her ass up in the comments? Talking about a God-fearing, caring, no mental health having. Girl, shut up. Okay, I just got to Home Depot. Wish me luck on finding a wreath hanger. And hopefully I can find some decor in here that I see Christmas stuff right here. Ornament hook. Up. I feel like our tree has enough light, so I don't really want. Excuse me, can you tell me where wreath hangers would be?
What? I gotta have probably out of wreath hangers here.
No.
They may have some outside in garden.
Okay.
In fact, they got natural wreaths out there, so they may have them outside.
Okay.
Otherwise, I would have had them on the back wall. But
oh yeah, I didn't see it up there.
Go to the desk up there
okay.
and ask them where the wreath hangers are.
Okay, thank you so much. Sorry. I was trying to ask, but he's assisting someone. I guess I could. You have those?
Yeah.
It will work like for an outside door?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's use it for that.
If you can point me in that direction. Thank you. See if this works.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
Different one. It's loud.
Is that?
Yeah.
I always get a loud one.
That's why I brought it back.
I always come in here and get a loud.
Every time. That's why I switched it. This one loud too. Golly. What's wrong with the cart? This one isn't as loud. Golly. Y'all gotta be kidding me. They gotta be kidding me. This is crazy. Why are the carts so loud? Cart number, what is this, 4? Okay, finally we got a quiet one, y'all. There's no freaking way that these carts sound like this. I'm about to give up in a moment, y'all. This is crazy. They're all fucked up. Oh, I see stars. The thing about it is, people already stare because I got this camera in my hand. Then the cart just loud. It's like, honey, pick and choose a battle. Y'all, these stars are ugly. This is our only option. It's either this star, this star. Oh, I guess this one is a LED light. This star. Oh, I kind of like this one. But it's somebody done fucked with the box. I'm gonna get this one for the big tree, this one for the small tree. Wait, what's this one down here? These are reindeer. So nobody want no reindeer. I left my cart back there, so I gotta go to the restroom. And I hate using the restroom in public places, but honey, I'm gonna pee on myself if I don't go right now. Okay, let's go pee. So I got for the centerpieces this little reindeer with the matching Santa Claus, and then I got this little tree. So I'm gonna just put those together and then put these little ornaments on there. So mission complete for that. We got the stars. So now we're off to Publix. Hey y'all. So I'm back from running errands. My camera died while I was leaving Target. So I ended up leaving Target and just running into Publix really quick and getting the stuff for dinner. But guess what came while I was gone? My wig. So let's see what it's hitting on. They packaged this nice and sturdy. Here's so fab. Cute little box. Y'all, the truth lies within this box. If this wig lace does not match my skin, I'm gonna cry. Cause honey, I've been waiting. Comes with a little card with your hair care tips. Comes with a wig cap, which is really nice. And they threw some lashes in there, okay. Oh, and they gave us a free glue. I know that's right. Come on, Hair So Fab. And a baby hairbrush and a wig holder downer. Y'all know the little thing for your edges? I know that's right. You get all the little goodies from them. Hey y'all. Here's the moment. I got an extra bundle, so here's the bundle. This is 22 inches. It feels soft. Okay, okay. And here is the wig. Y'all, this lace look kind of dark. I ain't gonna hold you. This is the real test. Let's see. I need to close to the camera. Oh no, y'all. This look a little dark. Am I tripping? Let me go look in the bathroom. Andy gonna have to work magic because I'm not gonna have time to find another wig from somewhere, honey. See. Yes, it's dark. I think we can make it work though. What y'all think? It don't look bad on camera. I think she can make it work. And I want this wig to last me, but it is very soft. Wow, this looks bald head. Well, listen. That's as good as it's gonna get, honey, cause
You got everything done you need to get done?
yep, I'm about to start doing the trees. Ornaments. Yeah, sorry, I can't hold it. These hooks are first ornaments up. Are we having problems making my freaking star stay up? All right, guys, we got one tree down. Okay, guys, on to tree number 2. Okay guys, tree 2 is done. My star doesn't look bad one there. So, we just finished putting up all of our decor. And this calls for a glass of wine. Let me tell y'all, I've never decorated before. This is my first time, and honey, I see why people pay people to do it. I plan to already have dinner started by now because I wanted it to be done. Well, this is a quick meal, right? It only took me like 20 minutes last time, right? Damn near 20-30 minutes. So I'm gonna jump in the shower, put on my new PJs, and then start dinner. Aren't you proud of me? It's on Amazon? Yes, let me hurry up after I cook. That shower felt so good. So this is my favorite scent to put on when I get out the shower. It has a matching exfoliating scrub. Then I have this stuff, which I already put on. I can't put this on camera, but this is calming ingrown hair serum from European Wax Center. You just put this on your bikini area to get waxes, and this helps prevent ingrown hair. So I already put that on already. Perfume. Yes, I put on perfume to the lid. This is one of my favorites, Symphony by Louis Vuitton. Okay, y'all, let's get into it. I want to make stuffed salmon. I think I already told y'all this, but stuffed salmon, angel hair pasta. Well, stuffed salmon on top of angel hair pasta. You know the vibes.
Stay out till the morning. I'm just taking this moment.
one else will retire, but I'm not content. I wanna bury these niggas like 20 feet down so no one can find them again. It's gotta be scary to witness me carry these niggas around in both of my hands. They stay inviting me over, they say they got pictures, I get there and then it's just there. Got rich from the boy and elite, they sent me a new and say use instead. Everything good when you live in that house, got chef and made for bed. Can you imagine shit they seen? I went from the right to the south.
Delusional, boy, losing your mind. Yeah, yeah. I'm scaring them. All right, so this is what our salmon looks like in the air fryer. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, Moo, yeah. Come here, Moo. Yeah, Moo, let them know. What's the vibes, Moo? What's the vibe? So now I'm gonna plate our food. Let's get into it. So this is what it looks like plated. And then we're just gonna add our parsley on top. So I just finished cleaning. We're going to eat and watch a movie. What movie are we gonna watch? We're about to watch a movie called Poker. How is it?
Dude, this shit buzzing.
It was a little what?
No, this shit fire.
No, for real. What was wrong with it?
Nothing. This shit is hidden. What you talking
He
about?
ain't never said nothing I made was nasty, so I feel like he be capping. I forgot to show you guys that we added lights to y'all. We just saw fireworks mid nighttime skincare routine, so we had to go watch the fireworks. Thank y'all for watching another video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all at the next